Seychelles are a wonderful tropical destination year-round. They are right below the equator, so you'll enjoy warm temperatures any time of year. The average temperature is between 26 and 32 degrees during the day and between 20 and 24 degrees at night. These temperatures are consistent throughout the year. The Seychelles tropical climate has high humidity, typically around 75 to 80%. This can cause it to feel hotter than it actually is. You can cool off year-round by going for a swim in the Indian Ocean. The water temperatures stay between 26 and 30 degrees throughout the year, making the Seychelles an ideal beach destination. While the warmth will stick around all year, you'll experience some seasonal differences depending on when you visit. These seasonal differences are caused by the winds. The Seychelles Islands don't get much rain from May to the beginning of October. The days are sunny and hot, but not suffocating, thanks to the southeast trade winds. Visit during this season if sailing, windsurfing, and hiking are in your plans. If you want to go snorkeling or diving, this time of year may not be ideal for your holiday. Some areas may have rough seas and lower than usual underwater visibility. Some bays facing southeast may also have rough seas, making them unsafe for swimming. However, you will still have many beautiful sheltered beaches with calm waters to explore. The northwest trade winds blow from December to March. During these months, the sea is calmer, but rain showers are more likely, especially in December and January. Showers are intense but short, and the sun usually comes back within the hour. This time of year is perfect for escaping the European winter and enjoying a holiday in the sun. April and November are transitional months and the hottest months of the year. You'll have clear, very hot, and humid days without any wind. No wind means calm seas and excellent underwater visibility for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. This kind of weather often continues into May and October as well. Although December to March is the rainy season, it can rain at any time of the year in the Seychelles. That's what keeps the island's vegetation so lush and beautiful. If you've checked the weather forecast for the Seychelles, you might see the rain icon almost every day because of their short, intense showers. We advise against checking the weather more than 2 days in advance because of the unreliability of predictions 3 or more days out. Remember, a day predicted as rainy might turn out bright and sunny with only a 15-minute shower. You can relax knowing that the Seychelles are not affected by tropical cyclones. Keep in mind that in recent years, climate change has made weather more unpredictable than before and has blurred the boundaries between seasons. So when should you visit the Seychelles? Any time is a great time to visit the Seychelles. They are a beautiful tropical paradise all year round. To choose when is best for you, consider what you want to do most on your holiday and what will make your experience unforgettable. Whatever month you choose, you're sure to enjoy a balmy tropical climate in the warm waters of the Indian Ocean. Click on the link in the description below for more information about the Seychelles climate and check out our other videos to learn more about the islands.
Seychelles, Seyvillas.